What's going on? It's your boy J Nation 1 back with another video, man. We up here at the muffler shop today, about to get that borla exhaust put on, man. I just got the tips painted gold now, well, powder coated gold, and we're about to get it going, and hopefully they can get me in today. They told me to bring it, they squeeze me in, so hopefully it'll be quick. It might cost me a little bit more than what the other place quoted me, but I need to get it in. We up here at Speedy 1 getting it going, about to make it happen. Y'all see it in the background. I'm excited, man. I want to see how it sound. I can't wait till them headers come. When them headers come, it's gonna really be on. It's gonna really go down once them headers get here, because that's gonna give me that loudness that I'm looking for, man. Give it a look at it before. I usually take my shit up here every time, get it done. Old tip, they actually did that for me. All that. It's ugly up there. So y'all underneath it. All that stuff done. So yeah, man, that's the game plan, man. Hopefully my guy hook me up, man, get me how I want to be. Here goes some of the stuff. It's a little junky back here, but just crammed it all in. With the gold tips. Y'all see the gold, man. Gotta take it out, but boy, they got this bad boy wrapped up in there, don't they? Damn. Yeah. Same color as this, transparent gold powder coated. So yeah, man, I'm excited to get this done, man. I'm definitely excited, man. It's about to be a movement. Next, we're getting the door panels done. Holler at Diego, by the way. Holler at Diego, he said he can try to get me in, so hopefully I can get up there Saturday for the car show and talk to him a little bit more, get pricing and get everything in order. But I definitely need this shit done, man. This shit time to, I need to get all that trim back in there so my shit look like, you know, it belongs. You know what I mean? The real best of the show. After that, I don't want to hear nothing. But I'm about to get in there, give them the keys and probably do what I got to do. And whenever they get done with it, I'll get back with y'all. All right, so we back, man. We got the boiler hat on. You guys see it. So we got the boiler exhaust on. Yes, indeed. Big gold tips. Big gold tips. Poop up. Poop up. Get up under here for y'all real quick. Boiler. Yes, sir. It's gonna look good. I got the new pieces coming for this too. Just waiting on that. That's gonna come on my headers and stuff. Got it looking good up under there. Definitely got it good, looking good. So if y'all need anything, man, come holler up at Speedy 1, man. They get you in and out. Good service. There they go right there. Come check them out. Uh-oh, look at him. He posing for the picture. Yes, indeed. Definitely getting it going, man. Yes, sir. Yeah, it's a movement, man. I'm gonna start it up for y'all and let y'all hear it in a second. I'll be right back. Hold on, let me go pay for it. I bet it's paid. I'm gonna have to start the car up real quick so y'all can hear it. I should have did like a before and after, but I guess it was just me after. You ain't gotta worry about shutting the door, nothing, just fire up. It's a lot deeper. You can hear the deepness. I hit the gas a little bit. Oh, baby. Yeah, so that's that, man. We're gonna get we're gonna basically get the headers and stuff, get them headers put on. When you get them headers put on, it's gonna sound a lot louder than what it already sound. Y'all see the hat, man. Borla, baby. I talk to y'all when I get home, though. Yeah. Yeah, she thought I was putting her up that fast. Nope, not gonna put me up today. I'm about to go ahead and get in the garage. Woo! Got a trick for you. I ain't going inside no garage today. I ain't clean her off. Her filthy. Hurt, man. This shit hurt, man. Some guts. Yes, indeed. Big old gold tips. It sound better. Definitely sound better. Whenever I was just riding, I still be hitting on her. But I know once them headers and that you take that whatchamacallit off, whoo, oh it. When you take them cats off, it's gonna be a monster. It's gonna be super loud, man. I'm talking louder than loud. But yeah, man, I like it though. It's definitely worth the money. I didn't go too crazy. Could have went with the one that was more heavier, but I didn't. So, yeah. Y'all see what's going on. Hey, how you doing? Pretty good. These bad boys back to back. Yes, sir. I just need my wheels for my vet to come in, man, so I can slide. Still waiting on wheels. I need to get rid of that box. Take that out. It was trash day today. But yeah, man, if you ain't subscribed yet, make sure you like, share, subscribe. I got more heat coming. Like I said, I got the headers on the way. They're getting built right now, cook headers. They say they'd be delivered July 28th or something like that. So hopefully I can get them in and out and get them put on. I had that loudness for y'all. Whenever I pull up to the show, you can hear me before you see me. You're gonna hear the loud music, you're gonna hear the loud pipes, and loud everything, you know, loud color, loud wheels, gold. It's your boy J Nation 1. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and I'm out. Deuces.
Music.